Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to visit violence-hit Manipur and Mizoram on September 13. According to PTI reports, the Prime Minister will first arrive in Mizoram to inaugurate the newly constructed Bairabi-Sairang railway line, a 51.38 km stretch connecting Aizawl with Assam, Silchar and the rest of the country. Mizoram Chief Secretary chaired a review meeting on Monday with government departments, police and law enforcement agencies to finalize arrangements including security, traffic management, reception arrangement and public participation. From Aizawl, PM Modi is expected to fly to Manipur, making it his first visit to the state since the outbreak of violence on May 3, 2023. However, officials in Imphal said they have not received confirmation of the final itinerary. Meanwhile, on August 30, Manipur Home Department had issued a circular categorically stating that no leave will be granted to any police officer or personnel from September 7 to 14 in view of the exigencies of duty during the period. A senior Manipur official confirmed to The Wire that this is due to a likely visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the northeastern state. The official said his proposed itinerary includes Imphal, the state capital, and Churachandpur, one of the districts was hit by the violence. Another report in The Hindu on August 31, quoting government sources, had said that Modi is expected to visit Manipur in the second week of September.